Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a rabbit out of a plastic bottle. So the materials are a glue gun, some paint, a pen, paintbrush, a marker, a mug, some foam or cardboard or cartolina paper, googly eyes, an empty plastic bottle, and of course a box cutter. First, cut the bottom off of the bottle. Now let's paint. Now let's make the face. Now let's draw the ears. Now let's glue on the googly eyes. Now let's glue it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye!